back in Shenzhen again. This time, something a little different. We're gonna do some sporty activity today, and it's Easter today, so oh my gosh, the line to cross the border was wild. Took us like 1 hour, so lesson learned, never come to Shenzhen on a public holiday. Now I'm super hungry and we're gonna try to get a cab. See you at our next stop. Oh, I'm so hungry. We just got these honey bread. It's basically a street vendor that was selling it, and they're like so cheap. They're like 5 RMB for 3. And I'm so hungry, so I just had to eat some. So we're at and they're famous for Changsha food again, but this time we ordered this pork and pepper kind of dish, which will, I think, go very well with rice. Very homey. Tastes like the kind of food my grandma would make at home. My second time doing it. I think I got better. It's still very tiring though. I've never seen a mall like this. There's like random alpacas roaming in the mall. There's like a pony riding place. Yeah, like there's children driving mini cars around the mall. So it's like definitely a perfect place to bring your kids, because like There's like so many arcades, so many like playgrounds. It's pretty cool. Yeah, and lots of restaurants as well. So while you drop your kids off to their activities, you can also chill around the mall, eat something or shop around.
Nice.
We just finished baseball. It's actually so tiring. We had 5 rounds each, and each round there was 12 balls. 2 of us spent like $158, which I think is very reasonable. Baseball is actually a really good stress release sport, so if you're stressed, this is definitely the activity to do, and I think I'll definitely be coming back again too. I'm tired, so let's get some drinks. Just what I needed, a refreshing drink. We ordered the grape lemon tea. It's got like little bites in it. It's like really nice. It's like kind of like aloe vera and not too sweet because I asked for like 30% sweetness and it's like just the right amount for me. It's apparently very trendy now. Ducky! We just finished at the arcade. That was so worth it. I got 100 coins for 35 RMB and 大众点评. So I think it's cheaper if you buy those coins from that app. And it was so fun. They have like all the games, you know, the games I see in Japan. Yeah, we spent like a good 2 hours in there. So yeah, very worth it to kill time and have fun. So yeah, now we're a bit hungry, so we're gonna grab a light bite before we go back home. So the noodle is actually like, it's a special kind of noodle because Xi'an noodles are a bit like more very wide, like as you can see, like it's very wide and long. Look at all the chili oil. The noodle is very thick. So much flavor from the chili oil, from the minced pork. Also got a hint of sweetness from like, I think it's like the tomato egg that they also put in here. You have some beans, which is very interesting combination actually, but it's pretty good. The bread is very interesting. We ordered this, supposedly tastes like Xi'an drink. Yeah, Fanta for sure. It has been a very eventful day. Hope you enjoyed the day and check this mall out if you wanna do any of the activities that we did. Thank you for being the early subscribers of our channel. We've reached 100 subscribers, all thanks to you. So hope that you continue to support our video and comment below for any other content that you want to see. Stay tuned for our next video.
呢個冇辣、小辣、麻辣，
幾錢嘅？點賣
8蚊一斤，能吉。
謝謝。
Snack for tonight when we go back home. That's good.